In this video, we are going to talk about top 7 website or web application ideas in 2023, which you need to start working right now. So let's get started. The first idea on our list is the news website or app. But many good companies are already doing good in this idea. But you can make news on your local area, example, Ahmedabad, Bhopal, etc. This will also reduce the competitions and there will be more chances of getting traffic to the website. But there will be a problem that how to know the news of your area. You have to do a lot of research for that. And the rest is up to your UI and website presentation. Now, the second idea on our list is the review website. In this website, simply user will give their reviews, but you would think that Amazon already has this section. But this website will have a search bar which will show the reviews of the product by product link or name. If you have suggestions to improve websites, then comment so that other people and me can be helped. And the third idea is a traveling website, but this topic is very big and it has to be managed a lot, but you can make a traveling website of your local area. In this website, you tell about such a place which few people know in your local area, like best hotels, street food, gardens, and many more. And the fourth idea in the list is drop shipping website. In this, the sellers of the goods will upload their products in the website, and the buyers of the goods can buy the goods. And being the owner of the website, you can take commissions from the sale of every item. The name of fifth idea in the list is any user-made content website. In this type of website, 90% of the work is done by the users only. In this, the website just provides the platform. Like Stack Overflow, in this the user asks questions and another user answers, the owner of the website just needs to do the maintenance. The number 6 website idea is blog website. You must have seen this website somewhere, like an article and a news website. In this website, users share their ideas, thoughts, creativity through articles. There are 2 types of blog website, first, personal blog, and second, user-made blog. And the last and 7th website idea is tournament website. This website is a bit tough, but it has good scope. In this website, users can register in the game tournament and reward given to winner. Examples such as MPL and Dream 11. And these are some things that you always have to remember while creating a website. That the content presentation and user interface of the website matters a lot. Ranking of the website, the performance of the website all matters for the website and for the business. So always stay updated.